In this video I want to show you StringBuilder class. As you might know, usual Java strings are objects of string class, but they are read-only. You cannot change them. But if you want to work with changeable strings, you need to use StringBuilder class. For example, with help of this class, you might add one string to another. Or you might insert one string inside another string in some position. Or you might delete a substring of another string. But you might say we don't need this class for adding one string to another, because we can use simple plus operator of string class, or we can use concat method of string class. So why should we use this new StringBuilder class instead? Yes, it's true. You can use concat method or plus operator, but the answer is simple. Append method of StringBuilder class is just faster. Let's look at simple example. Let's create two strings and then append second string to the first one. In first case, I use plus operator. Let's run the program, and we might see that it works. Then let's try to use concat method. And let's run the program. As you can see, the second approach works fine. But as a result of both operations, we have a new string. So the result of this plus operator is a new string, and it's assigned to str variable. And the result of concat method is a new string, and is assigned to str variable. It means that the old value, which was in str, is deleted from the memory, and the new value was assigned in the same variable. The StringBuilder class works differently. Here we have StringBuilder object, and let's add the second string to this builder object with help of append method. And then let's print it. And let's run the program. As you might see, it works. StringBuilder is our changeable string. Every time you append something to this builder, or you delete something from our builder, it just changes. There is no new object here. Here we create a new string, and it's slow. Here we create a new string, and it's slow. But here we don't create anything. We just change our builder, and it's fast. Let's append a number to our builder. And let's print it. As you might see, it's easy to add a number to our builder. Let's try append builder to builder. Even this operation is possible. Why not? Let's insert something to our builder. Here we need to specify offset. Let it be 3. And here we need to send some string, for example. And print the result. And you might see that these symbols were inserted. Let's delete something from our builder with delete method. Here we need to specify start and end position in our string. Let it be 2 and 20. Print the result. And here is our string. A lot of symbols were deleted. Let's try replace operation. Here we have replace method. And from start position 2 to end position 5, for example, we want to replace our substring to these symbols. Let's look at the result. And these 3 symbols were replaced with these 3 symbols. Perfect. Let's try to reverse our string with builder reverse method. And as you can see, it works. As you might remember, in string class we have char_add method, which reads a symbol from the string by position. In StringBuilder class we have another very useful method. This is setChar_add method. It allows us to change the symbol by position. Let's try it. SetChar_add, and here we need to specify index. Let it be 0, for example. And here we need to specify symbol. Let it be A. And print the result. And you might see that our first symbol was replaced with this A symbol. Let's try different position. Let's replace third symbol with exclamation sign. Okay, and this is the result. This D letter was replaced with exclamation sign. So we might say that StringBuilder is very efficient and simple way to use changeable strings in Java.